Success is not the key to happiness, but happiness is the key to success. The concept of success is different for every person, for each person. For some, they want to get money, some want fame. So this concept of success is different for everyone. There is no shortcut for success. It requires a lot of patience, hard work, and strong determination. Friends, in this video, I am going to tell you some factors, some important factors on how to get success. This is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. First thing, I would suggest you to make goals, to set your goals. Make plan according to your goals and implement your plan into activity. To set goals and make plan, it is not sufficient to get success, to achieve your goal. You have to implement your plan into action. You should do action. Set your goals and write it down in the piece of paper and stick in the wall every morning when you get up. Please read your goals. Second thing, I will suggest you, don't compare yourself. Don't compare your weakness with the other person who is strong. Generally, we start counting our weakness with the other person's strength. No, stop comparing yourself. Stop compare. Don't compare. If you want to win your weakness, one way to win your practice. Nothing else. You can win your weakness with practice. Nothing else. No other option. The third thing is that get rid of your fear to be failure. Don't think negative. If you are fail, it's no problem. It is second chance to start the same thing in a new way. But if you don't participate, it will be problem. Don't be afraid to be failure. How would you learn if you don't apply, if you don't try? How would you learn new things in life if you never fail? Successful person learn from his mistakes. Don't bother about your past or future. The next thing I will suggest you to get success, be in the moment. Do what you love. At the same time, do one thing. If you are eating food, touch your food, feel your food, taste it. Chew your food and taste it, enjoy your food. At the same time, don't do any other thing. Be in the moment. Forget about the past or don't panic about the future. Do one thing at the one time. If you are having shower, try to feel every drop of water in your face, in your body, and enjoy your shower. The next thing I will suggest you to have confidence. Be confident. How would you get your confidence? By your dressing sense. Your dressing sense, your presence of mind, your body language, your way of thinking, your way of talking, your attitude show your confidence. Be aware of that. If you are dressing, be aware. It will show your value. If you are talking, if you are thinking, be aware, it will talk. What you think, you talk. The same thing which you feel, which you think. So forget about the past negative thing. Think always positive. Sometimes in life we get hard and it seems that road is too long to progress. But don't give up. Stand up, visualize your success, think about your success, do practice, make plan and implement your plan immediately. You will find yourself in the way of success. With this, you have to do hard work, a strong determination, positive thinking, and lots of patience. By these things, you can get success in your life. I will come soon with the next lesson of life. Till then, bye bye.